Welcome to the CSBytes video about using VS Code for web development. This video will teach you how to download and configure VS Code, as well as get you started on the process of developing and editing web code. VS Code will work on Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. For Chromebook web development, see our video about Carrot. First, navigate out to code.visualstudio.com. This site will detect your operating system and provide a quick link for downloading the application. If not, you can always use the generic download link in the upper right corner and select your operating system. Click the download buttons and begin downloading the program. Once the installation program has finished downloading, click on the exe file to run it. Read and accept the license agreement and select where you want VS Code to be installed. Typically, the default option is OK. You will be presented with some configuration options, including the creation of a desktop icon, which does make access easier, but is your decision. Then click Install. When installation is complete, check the button to launch VS Code and click on Finish. VS Code works best when files are contained in a common folder called a Workspace. Go out to your computer drive and find the location where you store your documents. In it, create a folder called HTML Workspace. Back in VS Code, select Open Folder and find the folder you've just created. This folder will now store all files created in VS Code. To get started with developing a web page, we click on the New File button and can start coding. If we save the file as .html from the outset, you will find that VS Code will do some code completion for you, including the creation of closing tags after the opening tag is typed. To view your page, save your code file. Locate your HTML file on your drive. Right-click on the file and select Open In. You'll be given a list of browsers installed on your machine. In this case, we will choose Chrome. For a faster way to view HTML files in the browser, we can download an extension written for VS Code. To set this up, go out to the internet and search Open in Browser VS Code extension. You will find a link to the marketplace for VS Code. In the marketplace, locate the Open in Browser extension by TechER. Click on Install. You will be asked to open VS Code. Once in VS Code, click on Install again. Now, we can right-click on the file in our VS Code file list and select Open in Default Browser or Open in Other Browsers. No matter how you open the page, once it's open in the browser, create a split screen with your code on one side and the view on the other side. As you make changes in the code, save the code file and refresh the browser view. Changes will be reflected in the view.